Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the highlight in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, and if you are on the home page, first you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video or videos, images that you would like to edit. I'm going to show you in this one, and now on the bottom of the screen you should see the first option is edit. Click on it. Now scroll to the right until you see the adjust option, and here scroll to the right as well until you see the highlight option. Click on it, and now moving this bar here, you can decrease or increase the highlight of your image or video. And if you are done, just click on the check mark option on the bottom of the screen, or you can reset your setting if you change your mind, or there is the apply to all option, which means that this setting will be applied to all of your clips, not just this one, not just for that section. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.